What's good, YouTube? We back at it again with another video. Hey, the videos are picking up. We recording. We got the camera in the hand all the time. Y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, bringing y'all another vibe. You know the vibes. But hey man, it's Taco Tuesday, so baby girl about to pull up. I'm like, hey man, let's go to the grocery store. Let's go get some stuff. Let's go get some stuff for Taco Tuesday. Let's go get some stuff for Taco Tuesday. So we finna go shopping, finna come back, finna see me whip up a little bit of that Taco Tuesday. Shit might mukbang for y'all, I don't know, we gonna see. But I'll keep y'all updated. Y'all go ahead and comment down below if y'all fucking with these type of vibes. I'll ring your mo. You dig? I'll be back. Who is it?
Hi. Oh God.
Oh
I got
God.
me on camera. I got the sniffles.
You sick? You got the
No,
COVID?
I think it's allergies. Not the vid.
I'm vlogging, I'm on go mode. Kiss them, not me. What up, Nick? How was work?
That's good.
Getting sick? Kissing me while you sick?
It's allergies.
Invading your private space. We need to go get a massage.
Yeah, we do.
I told him we about to go get some stuff for Taco Tuesday.
Okay.
Taco Tuesday.
My belly looks like it needs tacos. Looks like it wants tacos, not that it needs tacos.
You gonna
It's
film?
my spoon.
You gonna? Oh yeah, true. You gonna film me making my tacos? Trying to make our guacamole. Sure, you gonna film me making guacamole
Okay.
for my channel,
Okay.
for my Bois kitchen.
Yep.
Alright, bet. We gonna get back to y'all. You dig? So we back at it. You know where we at. Bois kitchen. This is episode 2. I said it was Taco Tuesday, so I'm gonna be throwing down some tacos real quick for y'all. We gonna make some guacamole. My baby girl gonna make that. I'm gonna let y'all see that, but we're gonna get right into it because we do not want this video to be long. So I got some curry, crayfish, I got some garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, got some honey, got some bell peppers, onions, lettuce for the tacos, cheese for the tacos, and we're doing mini tacos. So, got the avocado, and got the hot pico de gallo for the avocado, for the guacamole. So let's get right into it. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna turn this bad boy on. Boom. Put the onions up in there. Ooh, that's a lot of onions. But you can never have too much onions. I'm gonna put some bell peppers in there. Boom. My baby gonna do her thing with the camera as always. I'm gonna put some oil, just a little bit of oil to get everything sizzled up. You already know what we're gonna do next. Gonna throw some garlic up in here. Get it.
Gotta use the other end of the spoon.
So good. I'm gonna use this. And we're gonna add some curry to this bad boy. You already know how we do it. Curry to the onions, to the veggies. Let it saute a little. Where's my curry? Okay. Let it saute a little bit. And we're gonna let that cook up, and I'm gonna bring y'all back once this is sizzled. You did. Bois kitchen, baby. Episode 2. Episode 2. I'm teaching y'all how to cook that emergency food. Let's get it. Her technique on how she cut the avocado. It's the guacamole. My baby makes some fire guacamole.
I'll try.
Get some avocado.
Oh. It's messy. And then if it's a good avocado, you can just squeeze it out.
Yeah. We're gonna
Sorry,
get back
it's
to
hot
that
for it.
later.
Yep.
She gonna.
Oh, you must.
Next is the shrimp. We're gonna throw the shrimp in this bad boy. Ugh, you see how we just did that. I'll make one piece of salmon on the side. Just in case we get a salmon taco.
I know how I feel about salmon.
I know. You ready to take over? So we got the shrimp. Boom, boom. Gonna put some garlic powder. Gonna put some Cajun seasoning. Zoom in on it, baby. What else can I use? At this point, I can use the crayfish. And we're really done with the seasonings. Should put some lemon juice in there. Yo, babe, everybody puts their hands on that.
No, they
I'm
don't,
kidding, I'm
because
kidding.
the cap covers it.
I'm kidding. Let me get you from this side because I don't know if the window's messing things up. Rude Boys Kitchen, we going to work. My baby's a staff worker here at Rude Boys Kitchen.
Not a staff worker.
She on payroll,
I wish.
making the big bucks.
Yeah, okay. Not even
Just
so
a
much,
little
just
bit.
a little pico.
Little
Especially
bit.
since it's hot.
Yeah.
That's really all you need. A little bit off the top.
Cool, I'll use the pico for some nails. That's what I'm missing, the African pepper from my
No,
taco.
please.
You
You're
said
gonna make
you also need it.
I know,
for
but you're gonna
your-
make it so hot that I can't eat it.
I'm
I
not
know
gonna
you.
make
You
it
don't know
that
how to
hot.
do it mild. Okay, little pepper. And if you don't have lemon juice, I learned this trick from my college roommate's boyfriend. You can put a little bit of orange juice, and it gives you a little citrus without overdoing it. But
Yeah.
it gives the guac a good flavor.
True.
And then I just mash it with a fork. I really need to buy one of the avocado smashers, but then I just lay my fork on top. Really, I like to have a little bit of garlic salt. You have some garlic salt?
Yeah.
A little garlic salt?
Yep. Seasoning cabinet.
Perfect.
Garlic salt.
Garlic salt. Oh, it's not open. Oop. Not too much. You don't want it to be salty.
It did.
Well, that's really it.
That's really it.
Keep mushing it up, and it's gonna be A1.
We're gonna show you the finished product. What I'm gonna do here now, up in Rude Boy's kitchen, is add a little bit of Rude Boy spice. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Why you have to look at it? Ain't nobody asked you to
trust
look.
you.
Ain't nobody asked you to look.
Yo, you don't know how to.
We're gonna add a little bit of hot pico.
See, that's overdoing it. Hot pico and cayenne, African pepper.
Ain't nobody put no cayenne.
I said and African pepper.
You said cayenne.
I'm correcting myself.
Cooking this bad boy. It look good. How the pico, how the guac taste?
It's good. It's actually really good. Have a little bit more salt.
My baby make that fire.
A little bit more pepper.
Yeah. Now here's what we finna do. I got the mini tortillas. We moving fast for you now. We moving fast for you now. Bring this bad boy out here. Got the air fryer. Gonna fry these tacos real quick.
Taste.
Good.
Good?
Good. Let me get that going. It's the first time I'm using my snake.
Yeah, and I don't like my tortillas crispy, so put it in the
Oh, you don't like it? So let me do
I like them
plate.
a little bit soft, yeah.
Yeah, yours you can take. It's gonna be real quick. 'Cause it's an air fryer. Taste the shrimp for me. It's hot, blow it.
Ah!
I got you.
Good.
Blow it.
Look up.
Mmm.
Hot.
Mmm. I mean, we basically done. This is Rude Boy's kitchen. Show y'all the finished product of the tacos, and that we out. You did. Got it? So everything done. I'm finna dress it up for you real quick. Mini tacos. Boom. 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 Dress it up real nice for you. Boom. We finna do some light layer of cheese. Boom. We gonna do a little bit of lettuce. Boom. Trashy tacos, man. And then you gotta have the sour cream. Hopefully this one is good. We got the light version, trying to be healthier. Boom. Boom. Boom.
It's a lot of sour cream.
Yep.
Jeez.
And then I'm gonna top it off with some cheese. And that's that. So let me taste a little guacamole. Give it a 9.5 out of 10.
Okay.
It's hitting. And then my trashy tacos. Submerge the sour cream. Taco Tuesday. Try it, baby. You're good. Is it good?
9.5 out of 10, baby.
Why I ain't get the 10?
Like, I can't get the 10.
You a hater.
But it was good.
You a hater. All right, let me close out my second episode. But yeah, I appreciate y'all tapping in. Like, comment, subscribe if y'all want more videos like this in the kitchen. Hey. If I like more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe. Hey, I'm bringing y'all the vibes. I don't know what's next in the kitchen, but stay tuned. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. You dig? Peace out.
This year is my year. This year is my year.